Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our practice set 5.3. Now, students, practice set 5.3, we are going to learn one more formula, that is expansion formula of a minus b the whole cube. In previous session, we have learnt about the expansion of formula of a plus b the whole cube. But today we are going to expand the formula a minus b the whole cube. So, what is the formula for a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. It is read as this way. That means a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube. A cube means the first term will multiply whatever it would be, the terms, we have to cube the terms. Minus 3a square b means 3 into a square into b plus 3ab square means 3 into a into b square minus b cube means that second term also you have to do cube over here. And you can see in previous a plus b the whole cube we had same, but the sign all the terms had plus. But in a minus b the whole cube, students, only alternate plus and minus signs comes. So first term is with plus a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So you have to learn this formula, and our whole exercise 5.3 is based on this formula a minus b the whole cube. So students, let's start with our practice set 5.3. Now what is the first question, students? Expand. What is given? 2m minus 5 the whole cube. So here, students, we are going to use the same formula for the sum, that is a minus b the whole cube. So the formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here our a term is nothing but 2m and b is 5. So we will just put in place of a 2m and in place of b we have to put 5. So you'll write down. So our step will become here 2m the whole cube minus 3 into 2m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 the whole square minus 5 the whole cube. So see, as I said, we have to write in bracket 2m the whole cube minus 3 into 2m the whole square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square minus 5 cube. Now first we will solve, we'll find out the values of it. So 2m the whole cube will become 8m cube minus 3 into 2m square will become 4m square, because square we have to do. So 2 square is 4 and m square will be m square into 5 plus, now this term will solve, 3 into 2m into 5 square, student, will become 25 minus 5 cube will become 125. So next step, that is 8m cube minus, you'll multiply this term. Now here this will multiply first, 3 into 4 into 5 coefficient, that is will get 60, then m square. Now plus, then you'll multiply this term, that is 3 into 2 into 25, so you'll get 150, and m variable is there, so 150m minus 125. So this is your answer. Expansion of 2m minus 5 the whole cube. Expansion is, student, 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. So by using this formula, we will solve the exercise. So let's move to our second one. What is given in second question, student? 4 minus p the whole cube. So same, we'll use the formula of a minus b the whole cube. So here our a is 4 and the b term is p. So we'll place it. So we'll write down 4 cube, 4 the whole cube minus 3 into 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into p the whole square minus p whole cube. Just we'll put in place of a the terms and b also p. So you'll get this. Then further let's solve. What is 4 cube? You'll get 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 3 into 4 square 16 into p, you'll write down as it is, plus 3 into 4 into p the whole square will become p square minus p the whole cube will become p cube. Now students, we will solve, we'll multiply now this. Next step, we'll solve for this, that is 3 into 16 into p and 3 into 4 into p square. So we'll move to our next step, that is 64 minus 3 into 16 will become 48 p, then plus sign, 3 4s are 12 p square minus p cube. So this is the expansion for 4 minus p the whole cube. So final answer you'll write down in a box, that is 4 minus p the whole cube is equal to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Now students, third sum. What is given? 7x minus 9y the whole cube. Now here our a term is 7x and b is here is 9y. So same formula. You have to learn the formula. Then only the sum will become very easy to solve. So a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 7x and b is 9y. If you write this step, it will become easy for you to find out. So in place of a, you'll write down 7x, and wherever the terms are there, just you'll replace that. Wherever a is there for the formula term, you'll write down 7x and b 9y. And then let's write what is, that is 7x the whole cube minus 3 into 7x the whole square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y the whole square minus 9y the whole cube. In this step you use bracket, students. If you don't use, then the coefficient you cannot cube. You'll directly write 7x the whole cube, then the cube will not go to the coefficient. So first step you have to put in bracket and then write. Okay. Then what will become 7 cube? So it will become 343. Then x cube, as it is x cube minus. Now 3 into 7x the whole square will become 49x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x, you'll write down 7x into 9y the whole square, you'll write down 81y square minus, and 9y the whole cube will become 729y cube, because 9 cube is 729. So it will become 729y cube. Now students will solve further, that is 343x cube. Now we'll multiply this terms over here, 3 into 49x square into 9y. So it will become, first we'll add the multiply the numbers, that is 3 into 49 into 9. So it will become 1323, you'll get the answer after multiplication, and x square into y, you'll get x square y. Okay, then plus sign, then 3 into 7 into 7x into 81 y square you'll multiply. So you'll get, multiplying by numbers, that is 3 into 7 into 81. If you multiply, you'll get 1701. Then you'll multiply the variables, that is x into y square. It will become xy square minus 729y cube. We have already solved previous, so we'll write down as it is 729y cube. So our answer is x, therefore 7x minus 9y the whole cube equal to 343x cube minus 1323x square y plus 1701xy square minus 729y cube. Now students, moving to the fourth question. The fourth question given is 58 the whole cube. So first let's write down in expanded form of 58. So as this we are doing expansion of a minus b. So we'll write down this in minus form. So 60 minus 2 the whole cube I'll write down. So here my a term will be 60 and b will be 2. So we'll use the same formula, a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So our a is 60 and b is 2. So we'll put that is 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 the whole square minus 2 the whole cube. So first we'll solve this. We'll remove the brackets and next step will become 60 cube equal to 216000. You can multiply 6 into 6 into 6 number. So 6 cube will give you 216 and 3 zeros you have to as it is cube. So 3 zeros minus 3 into 60 square will become 3600 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square will become into 4 minus 2 cube will become 8. Now students, let's solve this. That is 216000 minus, now you'll multiply 3 into 3600 into 2. So you'll get 21600 plus, then you'll multiply 3 into 60 into 4. So when you'll multiply this, you'll get 720 minus 8 as it is. Then now we will do addition and subtraction of this number. So after doing addition and subtraction, you will get answer 1,95,112. That is 195,112. So 58 cube, therefore 58 cube equal to 1,95,112. Now fifth question. Now what is given students? 198 the whole cube. So again we have to expand 198 in minus terms like. So 200 minus 2 you'll get 198. So I'll write down 198 as 200 minus 2 the whole cube. So we'll use the formula a minus b the whole cube. So here my a is 200 and b is 2. So I'll put and write down 200 the whole cube minus 3 into 200 the whole square into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 the whole square minus 2 the whole cube. So let's find out the answer. 200 whole cube will become 8000000. See, two zeros are there as it is cube. So here 6 zeros will come and 2 cube is 8. Easy to multiply. Minus 3 into 200 square will become 40,000. 2 square is 4 and 2 zeros. So 2 total 4 zeros will come into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. So 8. So let's further solve students. So you'll get 80 lakhs minus 3 into 40,000 into 2. If you multiply this 3, you'll get this answer, that is 2,40,000 plus, then you'll multiply 3 into 200 into 4. So you'll get 2,400 minus 8. Now you'll do addition and subtraction over here. After multiplying and finding out the value, now here addition and subtraction. After doing addition and subtraction, you'll get student answer 77 lakh 62,392. So the answer is 7762,392. So therefore 198 cube equal to 7762,392. I hope you are now getting students. Now sixth one. What is given in sixth one? 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So same formula, a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here our a term is 2p and b term is 1 upon 2p. So we'll substitute and we'll expand this. So it will become 2p the whole cube minus 3 into 2p the whole square into 1 upon 2p plus, now 3ab square will become 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p the whole square minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Now further next step, 2p the whole cube will become 8p cube minus 3 into 2p the whole square will become 4p square into 1 upon 2p you'll write down as it is plus 3 into 2p into, now 1 upon 2p the whole square will become 1 upon 4p square minus, now this 1 upon 2p the whole cube will become 1 upon 8p cube. Okay, students, I hope you are getting it. Now, students, you can see that here this is multiplication between here. That is 3 into 4p square into 1 upon 2p. You can see, you can cancel the terms. 1p from here, denominator and from numerator can get cancelled as it is multiplication. So you can do. So, and number also 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So you will do this here. Here also, as it is multiplication, we can solve this. You can see here also numbers get cancelled, numerator and denominator. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we'll write down here down 2. Now here also p and here down denominator we have p square. So it will cancel 1p and here one, this p1 will get cancelled. Are you getting me, students? So our next step will get, that is 8p cube minus, now 3 into 2. So 3 2s are 6 and in numerator p remains. So p and denominator no terms are there. All got cancelled. So only 6p over here plus 3 into 1 into 1. So 3 in numerator. Can you see denominator you get 2 here and 1 p is left. So 2p. So you'll get here as 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. So this is your answer for 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So finally you'll write down, student, 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube equal to 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Now students, let's move to our seventh question. What is given? 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. So you'll write down the formula first. A minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is equal to 1 and b is 1 upon a. So next step, that is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 upon a the whole square minus 1 upon a the whole cube. So let's move to our next step. It will become 1 minus 3 into 1 square will be 1 into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 upon a the whole square will become 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a the whole cube will become 1 upon a cube. Now students, here no terms are getting cancelled. So finally it will become 1 minus, let's multiply the numerator, 3 into 1 into 1 into 1 3 upon a. So it will become minus 3 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 3 and denominator is with a square. So you'll get 3 upon a square minus last term, that is 1 upon a cube. So your answer is therefore 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube equal to 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Now in this eighth one, you'll do by yourself. It is a homework. Now students, moving to second part. What is given? Question simplify. In simplify, students, you have to use both the formulas to solve the sums. That is a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube, which we learned in the previous lecture, and today which we have learned formula, that is a minus b the whole cube. We'll use both this formula to simplify the given sum. So what is given in our first question? 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube. So can you see, students? Both the terms are same. They have same numbers, variables, and the sign is different. It is following a plus b the whole cube formula, and this term will follow a minus b the whole cube formula. So to simplify, first let's solve individual. That is 2a plus b the whole cube will solve. 2a minus b the whole cube will solve it. Then we will merge both the answer. So it will become easy for us. So we'll use both the formulas, that is a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So the first term will follow a plus b the whole cube formula, and the next term, that is 2a minus b the whole cube, will follow a minus b the whole cube formula. First I will simplify 2a plus b the whole cube. We'll do first individual. So 2a plus b the whole cube will become 2a cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. So next step will become 2a cube will become 8a cube plus 3 into 2a the whole square will become 4a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b the whole square, that is b square plus b cube. So next step will become 8a cube plus, you'll multiply here 3 into 4a square into b. So it will become 3 4s are 12 a square b. So it will become 12a square b plus here 3 into 2a into b square will become 3 2s are 6. So we'll write down 6 a into b square, ab square plus b cube. So I have put here relation number 1. Now students will solve first, then 2a minus b the whole cube. So similarly we have to solve 2a minus b the whole cube using the formula a minus b the whole cube. So what will become, students? 2a the whole cube minus 3 into 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b the whole square minus b cube. So now 2a the whole cube will become 8a cube, then minus 3 into 2a the whole square will become 4a square into b plus, now 3 into 2a will write down into the b whole square. We'll solve this, then it will become b square minus b cube. Now students will solve this two terms first. It is multiplication. Let's find out answer. So it will become 8a cube minus 3 into 4a square into b. It will become 12a square b plus, then 3 into 2a into b square will become 6ab square minus b cube. So this will put as relation number 2. But we have to solve both the terms. So now from 1 and 2 I'll merge it. So from 1 and 2, our given question is 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube. So first, what we got the answer for this, let's write down that first. In bracket, square bracket, that is 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Okay, then close the bracket, students. Then minus sign, you'll put minus. Now for this, what you got the answer, you'll write down, that is 8a cube. In bracket, you'll write down 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. Close the bracket. Now students will remove the terms outside the bracket. So what will become? This will come as it is. The first term full, as there is a plus side. If it is not, it means it is positive. So all the terms will come as it is. That is 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Now, while removing the second term from the bracket, you have to pay attention. Your outside which sign is given, student? Minus. So, your sign changes takes place. So, minus into plus, minus. So, 8a cube. Now, minus into minus, plus. So, your plus sign will come and 12a square b. Now, minus into plus, minus. So, yours it will become minus 6ab square. Minus into minus, plus, and it will come b cube. You understood? Your sign changes because your outside minus is there. So, the terms gets with opposite sign. Easy to remember. So, now student, you can see that we 8 this one 8a cube we have here. I'll just wait. You can see 8a cube and here also 8a cube, but this is with plus and this is minus. So opposite sign terms will get cancelled with same coefficient and variable. So 8a cube plus 8a cube minus 8a cube will get cancelled. Now plus 12a square, here also plus is there, so it will not get cancelled. Now plus 6ab square, and you can see here minus 6ab square. So opposite signs, same terms will get cancelled. So we'll cancel it. Now here b cube and here b cube plus both, so it will not cancel. So now our next step will add this 12a square b plus 12a square b, because this two have same variable a square b, a square b. So you can add them. So it will become 12 plus 12, it will become 24. So 24a square b plus, now your b cube plus b cube, it will become 2b cube. Are you getting? You cannot add this two terms because this is different variables. It is with a square b and here it is b cube. So you cannot add this. So this is your answer. So 24a square b plus 2b cube. So therefore final answer you will write down. Therefore 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube equal to 24a square b plus 2b cube. Step by step if you do, you simplify, then it will become very easy. Now moving to second sum. Your concept will become more clear if you keep on doing. Now, what is given, student? First, that is in bracket, that is 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. Here also one term is with a plus b and one is with a minus b. So we'll use both the formula, that is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here students, 3r minus 2k the whole cube, you'll use a minus b the whole cube because you see middle sign is minus. So you'll use a minus b the whole cube formula in this. So what will get? 3r minus 2k the whole cube equal to 3r cube minus 3 into 3r the whole square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square minus 2k whole cube. So further let's solve. It will become 3r the whole cube will become 27. That is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27r cube minus 3 into 9r the whole square will become 9r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square, the whole square will become 4k square minus, now 2k the whole cube will become, student, 8k cube. Now further we'll multiply this terms over here. So we'll multiply 3 into 9 r square into 2k, and we'll solve for this also, 3 into 3r into 4k square. So our next step will get, that is 27r cube minus what you get, that is 3 into 9 into 2, that is you'll get 54 r square k, then plus you'll put sign 3 into 3, 9, 9, 4 za 36. So 36 rk square, then minus 8 k cube. So we'll put this as relation number 1. Now student will solve this 3r plus 2k the whole cube. So by using the formula a plus b the whole cube. So you'll write down 3r cube whole cube plus 3 into 3r the whole square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square plus 2k the whole cube. So now further 3r the whole cube will become 27r cube plus 3 into 3r square will become here 3 into 9r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square will become 4k square plus 8k cube. So we'll multiply further and start writing. That is, it is next step is 27r cube plus 3 into 9r square into 2k will become 54r square k plus this 3 into 3r into 4k square. If you multiply, it will become 36 rk square, then plus 8k cube. So you'll put this as relation number 2. You'll write down your relation number 2. Make it 2. Okay, students. Then next step from 1 and 2. What is from 1 and 2? You'll merge the answers. That is 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. This was our question. So we'll merge the answer. We have found individual answers. So we'll merge. That is, you'll put in square bracket. So for this answer was 27r cube minus 54r square k plus 36r k square minus 8k cube. Close the bracket. Then middle sign is given as plus. So we'll put plus. Then in square bracket, we'll write down the answer for this, what we have found out. That is 27 r cube plus 54 r square k plus 36 r k square plus 8 k cube. Now we'll remove the brackets and bring the terms outside. So next step, your first bracket will come as it is with same sign. That is 27 r cube minus 54 r square k plus 36 r k square minus 8 k cube. Now for second student, you can see this is plus over here. So when there is plus, same sign terms comes out. So there will be no change in the signs here. So same it will come 27 r cube. See, plus into plus, you'll get plus 54 r square k, then plus into plus, plus, then 36 r k square you'll write down, then plus into plus with same plus sign 8k cube. So only sign you have to pay attention when, if here it is minus, then that time only you have to pay attention while opening the bracket. Now students, you can see here 27 r cube and here also plus 27 r cube with same sign. So same it will add. Now here you can see minus 54 r square k and you can see here plus 54 r square k, opposite sign. So student, they will get cancel. So we'll cancel these terms. Okay, it will become cancel. Now you can now further see that 36 rk square and here also plus 36 rk square. So both are with same sign and so they will also add, both 36 rk square plus 36 rk square will add. Now next you see minus 8k cube and here plus 8k cube. So both are with opposite students. So they will get cancel. So you'll cancel this also. Minus 8k cube and here plus 8k cube will cancel. Now further you'll add what is remaining. So 27 r cube plus 27 r cube. So the answer will become 54 r cube plus 36 rk square plus 36 rk square. It will become 72 rk square. So final answer will write down, therefore 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube equal to 54r cube plus 72rk square. So I hope you are getting it. In simplification, both had, you have to use both the formulas, a plus b the whole cube and here a minus b the whole cube. So I hope you got this concept. Student, homework for you. From question number 1, that is expansion, from expand you'll do question number 8 as homework. And from question number 2, now next to sum, that is question number 3 and question number 4 is your homework. Try to solve it by using the formula. It is very easy to solve. Now students, thank you. Stay home and stay safe.